Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEWA70, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first get the application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search we'll enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app after the installing, and then here tap to yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now here we can see the information with temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 30.7. Also here we can find other information like the device model, Android version, level of the battery capacity, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.